Today, we're going to learn how to import an Excel file to SQL database in VB.NET. Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to import data from an Excel file into an SQL Server table using VB.NET and IronXL. No OLEDB drivers needed. So start by creating a VB.NET console app in Visual Studio. Install IronXL and Microsoft.data.sql client from NuGet, and then add your Excel license key to access all the features inside. In main, set the Excel path, parentheses demo.xlsx, and a connection string pointed to testdb on localhost. Load the workbook with workbook.load, parentheses Excel file path, and get workbook.default worksheet. That's the worksheet we'll move to SQL. Open the SQL connection inside a using block. This keeps the connection open while we loop through all the rows in the sheet's to DataTable results. For each row, copy the cell values into cell data, then call insert data into SQL, parentheses connection cell data, and this helper handles one row at a time. Insert data into SQL builds a simple insert statement. Here we insert name and age, adds parameters with add with value, and runs execute non-query. So let's run the application now, and we'll wait a moment while each Excel row is inserted. And when it's done, the console stays silent until there's an error. So open SQL Server Management Studio, run select from Excel data, and you'll see every row from the demo.xls stored in the table. And that's it. With IronXL and just a few lines of VB.NET, you can move Excel data to SQL Server quickly and skip the OLEDB setup altogether. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronXL, go ahead and sign up for the trial on the site. Continue to download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Go ahead, click the link below in the description. Try it out for yourself.